बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, मैं हूँ बिलाल हसन और आप देख रहे हैं फ्रेंड रिएक्शन चैनल। उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि आप सब लोग फिट फाट होंगे। नेपाल के लिए खास किस्म की वीडियो है जो 20 फैक्ट्स अबाउट नेपाल। नेपाल के 20 ऐसे खास फैक्ट्स है जो उसके बारे में आज वीडियो बनाने जा रहा हूँ। तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और अगर पसंद आ जाए, मजीद बहुत पसंद आ जाए तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। तो गाइस, वीडियो देखने से पहले ये गुजारिश करूंगा कि मैं ज़्यादा तो आप लोगों को बोल भी देता हूँ कि कमेंट में ये कुछ बताइए, लेकिन आप कमेंट्स नहीं करते, ना लाइक करते हैं। पता नहीं कि आप लोग हमसे खफा है कि क्यों, लेकिन फिर भी हम आपके लिए वीडियो बनाएंगे। तो गाइस, हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए और हमारे वीडियो को देखते रहे। तो चलो गाइस, ये वीडियो देखिए।
Hello and what's up beautiful people, this is All in 5 and today we'll be talking about 20 amazing facts about Nepal, although we don't do that here. Enjoy this special video about my country, Nepal. Nepal is a landlocked country in South Asia and is bordered by China and India. Over 60% of the population depends on agriculture. Nepal has never been colonized. It has various cultures and numerous ethnic groups. First thing that comes in my mind when talking about Nepal is Mount Everest and Gautam Buddha, the light of Asia. One thing that I like the most about Nepal is unity and diversity. To know all facts about Nepal, make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's begin it. Nepali calendar. Unlike other countries, Nepal doesn't use Gregorian calendar. Instead, people in Nepal use calendar based on Bikram Sambat. The Bikram Sambat calendar was founded by Emperor Bikram Aditya in 56 before Christ. It is a lunar calendar based on ancient Hindu tradition. This calendar is approximately 56 years and 8 months ahead of the Common Era. So if it is 2020 AD, it's 2077 Bikram Sambat in Nepal. Flag of its one kind. The national flag of Nepal is the world's only non-quadrilateral flag, which makes it completely unique from other countries. The flag consists of two pennants combined, blue in its outline with sun and moon white in color and red color as background. The pennants represent mountains, white depicts purity, the blue border is color of peace, while red shows bravery. No Independence Day. Nepal is the oldest country in South Asia. It was originally founded in September 25, 1768. Interestingly, Nepal doesn't have an Independence Day. This is because Nepal was never colonized as ruled by external forces. During British colonization era, Nepalese soldiers fought bravely and defended the nation. This impressed British and thus Gurkha army were recruited into British army. Gurkhas. You must have learned about the bravery and fierceness of Gurkha soldiers in World War I and II. Speaking of Gurkhas, they are the soldiers distinguishing themselves by being fierce fighters and serving in special units of the armed forces of the United Kingdom as well as India, but their origin is Nepal. In 1815, Britain recruited Gurkhas under permission of Prime Minister of that time, Janga Bahadur Rana. During Anglo-Nepal War, British soldiers were highly impressed by bravery of Gurkhas, and thus one of the commander praised, "If a man says he is not afraid of dying, he is either Gurkha or he is lying." Birthplace of Lord Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama, who is founder of Buddhism and is also known as Light of Asia, was born in Nepal. Gautama Buddha always believed in path of non-violence and enlightened the world with his vision. Lumbini Kapil Vastu, which is birthplace of Lord Buddha, soon became an important place of pilgrimage, and thus many followers of Buddhism, mostly from South Asia, set out to Lumbini for a religious tour. The holy site of Lumbini is made up of ancient monasteries ruins, the sacred Bodhi tree, an ancient bathing pond, Mayadevi temple, and much more. Due to this reason, Lumbini is also taken as UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Map twins. Nepal and Portugal are twins in the world map. If you take a quick glance at a map of both countries, they look similar to each other if turned 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. In comparison to area covered, Nepal is over 1.6 times bigger than Portugal and also holds more population density than Portugal. The 8,000ers. If we start to take a glance at top 10 world's highest mountain peaks, 8 peaks are found in Nepal. The highest mountain of the world, Mount Everest, measures 8,848 meters or 29,029 in feet in height from sea level, is also located in Nepal. Mount K2 of Pakistan being second highest. The other 7 mountain peaks are Kanchenjunga 8,856 meter, Lhotse 8,516 meter, Makalu 8,485 meter, Thoyu 8,201 meter, Dhaulagiri 8,167 meter, Manaslu 8,163 meter, and Annapurna 8,091 meter. Deepest gorge on Earth. Not only the highest point of Earth, but Nepal also has the deepest gorge on the planet. The Kaligandaki Gorge is the gorge of Kaligandaki River in Himalayas in Nepal. The gorge separates the major peaks of Dhaulagiri on the west and Annapurna on the east. The elevation of the gorge from floor is approximately 2,520 meters. The upper part of the gorge is also called Thakhola after the local Thakali people who became prosperous from trans-Himalayan trade. Altitude variation. The elevation of Nepal ranges from less than 100 meters above sea level in the Tarai to the highest point on Earth, the summit of Mount Everest at 8,848 meters, all within a distance of about 150 kilometers. The lowest point of Nepal is located in Kensana Japa, which is just 59 meters above the sea level. The The mountains to the north originated many years ago because of striking of European plate and Indian plate, while Taurus region to the south has fertile soil because of water flowing from perennial rivers from the Himalayas. Climatic variety. The climate of Nepal varies greatly with its topography. The climate there ranges from subtropical to Arctic depending upon the altitude. The Taurus region has hot and humid climate. The midland region are pleasant among all the year round, although winter nights are cool. The Himalayan region is generally cold and has dry year. Thus, in conclusion, you can experience every climate available on Earth just within Nepal, which covers an area of 147,516 square kilometer. Population. According to census of 2011-80, it was found that population of Nepal is about 28.09 million, which is equivalent to 0.37% of the world's total population. In terms of population, Nepal ranks number 49, covering total land area of 147,516 square kilometer, and thus population density of Nepal is 203% per square kilometer, which is 526 people per mile square. Hinduism in land of Buddha. The Constitution of Nepal 2072 Bikram Sambat states that Nepal is a secular state, that is, it respects every religion and their ideology. During the king ruling system, Nepal was declared as Hindu nation because of Hinduism being the most prominent religion in the nation. Still today, Hinduism is the most prominent religion in the land of Buddha. According to 2011 survey, it was found that 81.3% of Nepali were Hindu, 9% Buddhist, 4.4% Muslim, 3% Kiratis, 1.4% Christian, 0.1% Sikhs, 0.1% Jains, 0.7% follow other religions or no religions at all. Despite such diversity, people in Nepal live with each other in peace and unity, which makes it epitome to the world for being peace-loving nation. Cultural diversity. Nepal is country rich in ethnicity, lingual and cultural factors. The culture of Nepal encompasses the various cultures belonging to 125 distinct ethnic groups present in Nepal. The culture of Nepal is expressed through music and dance, art and craft, folklore, languages and literature, philosophy and religion, festivals and celebration, foods and drinks. One thing that is in common among these distinct ethnicity is that they believe in feeling of unity without regarding the fact that Nepali take dal bhat, lentils and rice before and after day. Most famous proverb says dal bhat power 24 hour. Living goddesses. Nepal is the only country with living goddesses. In Nepal, near community, there is a tradition of worshipping gods who haven't reached their puberty or manifestations of the divine female energy or Devi in Hindu and Buddhist religious traditions. The word Kumari is derived from the Sanskrit Kaumarya, meaning young. After the girl hits her puberty, new Kumari girl is faced as manifestation of living goddesses again. Civilization in Kathmandu Valley. The capital of Nepal once was a lake. Nepalese mythology says that Manjushri flew to Kathmandu and actually cut the crest in half with his sword, allowing the water to flow out from lake. Later civilization developed in this fertile valley, later known as Kathmandu. Scientists believe Kathmandu was once a lake and the water drained slowly over 15,000 years. Living Cultural Museum. Kathmandu, the capital, is considered as an open museum of ancient temples and shrines, golden pagodas, inspiring deities and their curious stories, and most crucially its people, as the people are modern in lifestyle yet still connected to their culture and values. 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites out of 10 in Nepal are located within Kathmandu. They are Pashupatinath Temple, Kathmandu Darbar Square, Bhaktapur Darbar Square, Pardon Darbar Square, Changunara Temple, Swayambhuna Stupa and Baudhanath Stupa. National Emblems. The national color of Nepal is crimson red, national animal is cow, national flower is rhododendron, national bird is Lophophorus. That's why slaughtering of cow is illegal in Nepal. The nation has Hindu culture being followed prominently. Even dogs and crows are worshipped in Nepal during Tihar. The same Tihar is celebrated all over the country for 1 month's vacation. Amazon of Asia. Nepal is naturally embroidered with varieties of natural plants and other vegetations. There are more than 6,500 known species of trees, shrubs and flowers found in Nepal. Various endangered species of animals such as the Bengal fox, Bengal tiger, clouded leopard, Corsac fox, one-horned rhinoceros, Asiatic elephant, red panda, snow leopard, and so on are preserved in Nepal. Currently, Nepal has 27 species of mammals, 9 species of birds, and 3 species of reptiles. Yeti legend. There has been repeated reports of mountaineers about showing of Yeti in Himalayas of Nepal. If you are wondering what Yeti is, it is said to be a creature that has human-like characteristics, but is also similar to ape type. Many also state about footprints bigger than that of human. Still, the legend of Yeti remains covered in snow because it is still a mystery. No one has encountered Yeti, or even if they encounter, I guess they don't come back. Let us know what you think in comment about Yeti. Some random facts. Nepal is 5 hours and 45 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. So if it is 12 PM Monday in Greenwich Mean Time, it is 5:45 PM Monday in Nepal. Khilcho Lake, located in Monan district, which lies at 4,990 meters, is so far the world's highest lake. Rara Lake is the biggest and deepest freshwater lake in the Nepalese Himalayas. It covers area of 9.8 square kilometer and is located in Jumla and Mugu district. Chitwan National Park is a preserved area in Tarai lowlands of Nepal, known for its biodiversity. It was established in 1973 and granted the status of a World Heritage Site in 1984. Chitwan National Park is famous for the best wildlife viewing national park in Asia, where you can spot endangered one-horned rhinoceros, Royal Bengal tiger, and up to 544 species of birds. That's it for today. Let me know in the comment how the video was. Make sure to click the subscribe button so you can get more videos like this in future. For more updates of videos, you can also follow us on Facebook or Instagram at @AllInFivee, a link in description. Until then, this is Prasan Tabang, narrator of All in 5, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.
वाओ गाइस, आपने देख लिया कि किस तरह के खूबसूरत खूबसूरत फैक्ट्स है जो नेपाल के बारे में, जो 20 फैक्ट्स है। तो हर एक का फैक्ट जो एक दूसरे से जब आगे जाता है तो हर फैक्ट जबरदस्त है। तो इसमें हम कौन कौन से फैक्ट्स के बारे में बात कर लेंगे तो बताना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि हर चीज हर फैक्ट जबरदस्त है। लेकिन मुझे एक फैक्ट बहुत, काठमांडू का जो वो पहाड़ है, हर दफा में जब भी वीडियो कब बनाता हूँ तो अगर इस फैक्ट्स के बारे में बातें हो जाती है तो मैं फिर भी जाकर काठमांडू पर खड़ा हो जाता हूँ, क्योंकि काठमांडू का इलाका आउटस्टैंडिंग जबरदस्त जगह है, जबरदस्त पहाड़ है उधर की। तो गाइस, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको कौन सा फैक्ट्स पसंद आया, तो प्लीज आप मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आप लोगों को कि कमेंट में आप जरूर बताएगा कि कौन सा फैक्ट्स आपको पसंद आया। और ये वीडियो तो आपको यकीनन नहीं पसंद होगी, क्योंकि ये वीडियो तो है ही लाइक के काबिल। तो गाइस, इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे इस तरह के और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए चाहता हूँ